Hi guys, welcome to back. And your SSD is stuck or 100% using CPUs and RAM and all. Okay, so how to fix it? Okay, so first guys, click to start. Right click to start and find out Task Manager. Okay, so you have to check which applications you have to know it. Okay, like McAfee, it is showing it is services working, that's why CPU 100% using. Okay, you can check also from here. Team, it is working on backend, so you can right click to quick team. Okay, also services, so which is you no need to app, so you have to uninstall. Like MyCafe, I remove it, but services also working in this system. McAfee Advanced Advisor. Okay, so first you have to uninstall which app you have to no need. Type, click and type control panel, view by category, uninstall program. So I removed McAfee, but it is showing in the task, so like this is not required. Click to uninstall it. Yes, Zoom workstations is not required, so you can click to uninstall. Okay, so next method, disable Windows search indexing. So click to start, type services.msc, right click to run as administrator, find out Windows search, Windows search, and select this, then click to stop, then close. Next method guys, you have to disable your startup applications. When you start your system the first time, so automatically some applications work on backend without your permissions. Okay, so same, right click to Windows key and go to Task Manager, performance, app history, startup, user, disable. Okay, this is startup key. So suppose you have to disable this, I already disabled, that's why it's showing enable. Okay, so OneDrive, it is enable, so I just click to disable. Mobile device, team, enable, I just click to disable. OX, security, health, no need, then close it. Next guys, cleanup, disk cleanup, run disk cleanup. So click to start and type disk cleanup, right click to run as administrator. So it is showing like that. Select download blocks, temporary internet file, device automatically temp. You can check recycle bin, but when you check, so in this recycle bin data it is remove, almost showing 1 GB data. Okay, so if not do delete, so you can uncheck it. Okay, and then click OK, and then delete file. Wait few minutes to clear it. Okay, next guys, perform clean boot. So click to start again, Windows key, and type msconfig. Why it is showing? Services all hidden, disable all, apply, and then okay. So guys, next step, run antivirus scanner. So if you install the paid antivirus in your system, so open this and scan. Otherwise, open this PC and right click to C drive. Here to show your antivirus, like scan with the Microsoft Defender, because I am using Microsoft Defender, that's why it's showing. Okay, so click to start, type Windows security, Windows security, open this. Then guys, click to virus and threat protections, pick scan and scan options, and choose Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scanner, and click on scan now. So your computer will immediately restart and bring to deep scan. Okay, so don't worry, wait 10 to 15 minutes. When it is completed, automatically restart your system. Yes, scan. Yes. So guys, this is automatically start. Okay, so guys, next step, run system file checker and DIMS. So click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator, and click to yes. Then this command I will give you in description, so you can directly copy paste one by one. Copy and hit enter. That is command in corrupt system file can cause random reboot. SFC can detect and repair those file, and DAMS can fix the Windows image issues. Okay. It will complete 100%. Then type second command, this one, and then this one, and one by one by one. Then first one is completed, then copy second command, and you can type manually if it is not copy paste. Then type to hit enter. Then third one, then fourth last,